Alright guys, so in the previous video, we looked at how to connect the system and set it up and make sure you've downloaded your Bibles and also or uploaded Bibles. Now, let's look at how to actually use templates. So assuming you've said something is here and you maybe click on go live and it's showing like this, meaning that you've not actually selected the right template. So the system comes with pre-built templates already, but it is not really the best you might want to use. So you might want to come here, which is the editor. All right. And you click on the editor. Here is where you customize and build templates. On the go, we have some pre-built templates right here. But you might want to click on click on new blank templates, and it will give you a fresh start, right? Then you come here, you can choose how either you want a transparent background, a solid background, or anything, or a gradients. But I'm just going to choose a video. Then you can upload videos into the library and use it. But I'm just going to choose this one for the tutorial sake. So then I will name my template. So I'm going to name this maybe Lord Supper or something. I'm just going to leave it this way. All right. Then I'll come to the ad. Once I'm on the ad, so hold on, let me just go back and pause this thing. I don't want it to live transcribe. So once I am on the ad, I am going to add a Bible reference, maybe this, and I'll just position it in the center. Then I can come here to the text on the right side. Then I'll choose a font I want. So I'm just going to use Tahoma. This font, right? I like this font. Then I'll just increase the size. I'm just going to hang this out to maybe say 75. It's too big. I'm just going to reduce it. I'm just going to align this thing in the center. I like it this way. You can also justify it if you want to. I'm just going to align it in the center. Yes. So I have this. Let's say I want just a little bit of effects. So I'll come to the build test effects. I want to just add maybe a shadow pause that goes behind it. You see, so a slight shadow pause. Or I'll just come. This is okay. Then I'll add a verse. So this is how you create a Bible template or a song template or any type of template you want. So when you click on the ad, we have a lot of things right here which you can add, from videos to static images to websites to let's say animations to clocks to countdowns. You can create a whole lot of templates here, save them and use them in your system. So I'm just going to use the verse test, position it in the center, drag it down here, and I just want to do it this way, and I'll center it this way. And I want the text to be in the center. I don't want any quotation marks. And I want to use the same font I used. I don't want it in italic also. And I just want to use maybe 60. Then I'll change the font to probably 600 is okay for me. Then I'll choose maybe auto scale or go to anyhow you want it, but it's fitting already. You can choose anyhow, but I'm just going to use auto fit so that it fits properly in this container, right? And I'll probably want to do some slight effects, maybe add a little bit of shadow. Yes, a little bit of shadow won't hurt, right? And I am good to go. Now, let me just reduce this to maybe 60 also, 60, yeah, this is good. So you can also preview what you've done, all right? It's coming faster, but let me just add some triggers. I want to increase the duration. You can probably stop. So can play, you can do a whole lot of things with it. So yes, now to it. So let me just stop it. Good. So now let me just remove this. All right. So now, once I'm done and I'm okay with what I'm seeing, I'll just click anywhere to deselect it. Then I'll save it. Once I save it, I can save it as a theme so that I can use it in my subsequent. So I can save it, maybe it's a verse theme. So let's say verse theme. Then I'll choose maybe verse. Then I'll just save the theme. All right, so I have my other saved themes right here. Now, once I've saved it and I'm okay with it, so this is how you create either a title, a verse theme, or any type of template theme you want to create and use it in the system. So now, once I come to the home page, right? And I come to the templates right here. I have the theme right here, this one. So once I select this one, and let's say I want to secure this. So as you can see, it is using Ezekiel, this one and this one. If I come to the templates and maybe I want to change this one, I don't like maybe the heading. I don't want it to be in uppercase. I just do it maybe none. I just want it normal. I don't want any uppercase or anything. So as you can see, the theme and everything is working perfectly. So this is how you select a theme. And so once I have selected it here and I'm going live, it is also probably showing live that, oh, maybe I've selected a theme and it is showing. So as you can see, it's also showing properly right here, right? So yes, this is how you create a theme and use it. So if I've created a song theme, so when I come so we come to the songs another time. So this is how you create a theme and you use it. So yes, this is how you create a theme. All right, guys. So I don't want the tutorial to be long. So watch out for the next tutorial. See you guys next time. Bye.